In this video, we will use dimensional analysis to calculate the mass of product given the volume and concentration of the reactant solution. The reaction between solutions of sodium hydroxide and magnesium chloride produce a precipitate of magnesium hydroxide as seen in the equation below. The information we are given is that we have an excess amount of sodium hydroxide and 150 milliliters of 0.85 molar magnesium chloride solution. What we want to determine is the amount of magnesium hydroxide that will be produced from this precipitation reaction. Our given value is 150 milliliters of 0.85 molar magnesium chloride, and we are trying to determine the mass of magnesium hydroxide produced. To help us work through this process, we will use this flow chart. We are given volume and concentration of a solution and trying to find mass of product. The steps we will take to solve this problem is to use the molarity of the solution to determine the number of moles of reactant, then use the stoichiometric factor to find the moles of product that will be produced, and finally, using the molar mass of magnesium hydroxide, we can calculate the mass of magnesium hydroxide produced. Our first step will be to convert from volume and concentration of magnesium chloride to moles of magnesium chloride. Setting up the dimensional analysis, we multiply the volume by the concentration in moles over liters, leaving us with moles of magnesium chloride. Next, we will use the stoichiometric factor to convert from moles of magnesium chloride to moles of magnesium hydroxide. The stoichiometric factor from the balanced equation is that 1 mole of magnesium chloride will produce 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide. Now, in our final step, we will use the molar mass of magnesium hydroxide to convert from moles of magnesium hydroxide to mass of magnesium hydroxide produced. 1 mole of magnesium hydroxide has a mass of 58.33 grams. We can see with the dimensional analysis set up, we will multiply 0.150 times 0.85 times 58.33 to give an answer of 7.4 grams of magnesium hydroxide produced.